In the ever-evolving landscape of modern technology, few platforms have had as profound an impact as Firebase. This is the story of Firebase, its inception, growth, and the array of services it offers to developers worldwide. It all began in 2011 when two developers, James Tamplin and Andrew Lee, sought to streamline the app development process. Their vision led to the creation of Firebase, a comprehensive platform that aimed to simplify back-end processes, making it easier for developers to build high-quality applications. Just 3 years later, in 2014, tech giant Google recognized Firebase's potential and acquired the startup. This acquisition marked a turning point, propelling Firebase into the mainstream developer community. Firebase has since evolved into a comprehensive platform, offering a variety of services that cater to the needs of modern app development. These are just some of the services it provides. The real-time database provides a cloud-hosted NoSQL database that syncs data in real time across clients. This service allows developers to build collaborative and responsive applications with ease. Cloud Firestore, an evolution of the real-time database, offers more advanced querying capabilities and scalability. It's a flexible, serverless database that enables developers to seamlessly store, sync, and query data for web, mobile, and server applications. Firebase Authentication simplifies user authentication, providing secure sign-up and sign-in methods through email, social providers, and more. It ensures a seamless user experience while safeguarding user data. Firebase Hosting offers fast and secure web hosting, coupled with Firebase Storage for scalable, cost-effective storage solutions, ensuring seamless content delivery to users. Firebase's powerful capabilities enable developers to innovate across industries, from e-commerce platforms and social networking apps to gaming and educational tools. From its humble beginnings as a brainchild of two visionary developers to becoming a cornerstone of modern app development. With a rich array of services catering to diverse needs, Firebase continues to empower developers to create innovative and engaging applications that shape the digital landscape.